Hey everyone, it's Ben Hardy here, and today we're going to be going over LED lights and then halogen lights. Which one's better to go for, more cost effective, all that kind of stuff. But let's just get right into the video. As you can see, this RAM has the halogen lights and then this one has the LEDs. So you can kind of see the difference in appearance first and foremost. So you can see the halogens just kind of like one bulb right there that illuminates and has like that yellow color. And then you can look over at the LEDs. So you can see that these are actually reflector lights. So they're not just regular bulbs like that one is. These are reflector LEDs, but you can kind of see how it's all like bathed in that kind of like white, bluish, but mostly white light, and then you have the white accent lighting around. So appearance wise, I feel like that looks more aesthetically pleasing than what that looks like. Obviously that's a preference thing, but I think the LEDs look better, so 1 point for the LEDs so far. Now a big part of LEDs being so popular is basically the low power that uses, and it causes them to last a lot longer. So LEDs like this are going to last significantly longer than these halogen bulbs lifespan wise, and big part of that is because of the power they use. These will use about 85% more power than LEDs. That's kind of like the general trend. Sometimes it's a little bit different, but that's about what it is. So these not only use less power, but then they last longer because they are using less power. And I guess I know it's kind of horrible because it's daytime outside. I should have filmed this at night, but I don't have time tonight to film this. LEDs will also be brighter at night than the halogen, so you can even see in the daytime. Just look at the halogen here, how bright that is, right? And then look at the LED. Look at the difference in just overall brightness. The LEDs definitely illuminate the roadway significantly more than the halogen bulbs. And then finally, cost-wise, the LEDs cost a little bit more than halogen bulbs, but it's not that much of a difference. Most of the time nowadays, it's only a couple dollars difference between a LED bulb and then a halogen bulb. So they last longer, they cost about the same, a little bit more, they use less power, they look better, and they illuminate the road better. So the LEDs pretty much are a win. Did I use enough wins? So that is going to wrap up today's video. Like I said, I feel like LEDs are the better route to go with if you have access to those, obviously, or if you have a particular model of vehicle you're looking into that offers LEDs, I think that's the route to go. Anyways, if you are stopping for the first time, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe, comment down below what you thought. I'll see all of you in that next video.